I'm getting ready to make a delicious sandwich. I'm using a mortar and pestle to crush some dried rosemary because I will be putting this into the eggs that I will be frying for these. Let me just go ahead and yeah. I bought this at the at-home store. It works really good. Oh yeah, it's doing a good job. Yeah, okay. You can also use fresh rosemary, but if you're not, they recommend you crush it. And I think that's because it will get the rosemary flavor better into the egg. Okay, I did a good job crushing it. It looks really nice and crushed right now. And then you just wash this with water. It's made out of lava rock saw. Yeah. Okay, I have the oven preheated, and I'm going to brush these with olive oil. This is for my sandwich. I've got 4 teaspoons of olive oil here. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Okay. I bet somebody gave me some free tomatoes here, and I just wanted to use them up, and I thought this would be a great way to do it. Alright, here's some more olive oil. So I'm going to just cook the bread in there for about 5 minutes, make it nice and crispy. Yeah, I bet this will be good. Okay. So yeah, I brushed them all with olive oil, and now I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven, the preheated oven. Hold on. Okay, they're in there. I used too much oil on those buns. I forgot I was only supposed to use 2 teaspoons. That's okay. Yeah, I never follow my recipes 100%. Now I'm cooking the rosemary in the olive oil here. Yeah, just to give it a nice rosemary flavor in the oil, okay? Yeah. I dropped 4 eggs into this skillet. I broke the eggs. That one actually kind of broke. After about a minute, I'm going to flip them with the spatula. Well, what I'm going to do is break them with the spatula and then flip them and cook on the other side. And so we're done. Let's see here. This one already kind of broke. Let me see, this one was my first one. And it needs to cook a little bit more. Yeah. Say about a minute, then you flip them. Actually, nope, not ready yet. I think I need to move the pan over the heat a little bit more. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. Break the egg. Okay. I'll let it cook. Okay. As soon as I'm able to flip them, I will. This one? Okay, that did good. These are going to be rosemary tea. Nah, that's not ready yet. Let's kind of break this one up. Ah. This is going to go right on the sandwich. There we go. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna cook them till they're done. Yeah, it's gonna go right in the sandwich, so. I flipped them again because it seemed like I needed to flip them again. Yeah, this will work. It'll go right in the sandwich. Meanwhile, these look like they're ready, so I'm going to take them out of the oven. Okay, I'm assembling a sandwich here. I put a layer of spinach down, a tomato slice, an egg. Now I'm going to put a tablespoon of Feta cheese. Okay, here's what I've done so far. You got the sandwich bottom, spinach, tomato, egg, Feta cheese. Now I'm going to sprinkle with some salt. That's good. I don't like too much salt. And some nice pepper. I love the Trader Joe's organic pepper. That's it. Now let's put the other half. And then I will let you know. There it is. It's not bad. I'm trying to figure out, I think I need to put a little bit more cheese on it on the next round. But it's not bad. Yeah, it definitely seems healthy, that's for sure.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart's pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah! She's the first, a passionate crusader.